Hi everyone, this is Heather from Glitter on a Dime, and today I just wanted to share with you a wreath update that I've been working on this week. I already had this green wreath that I use every year. I think I've used it for the past 15 years. And a long time ago when I got it, I had a fresh holly bush outside that I would put red berries in, but since we've moved and I don't have that anymore, I felt like I really needed to update this wreath. So I had the green wreath already, and when I was in Dollar Tree a couple of weeks ago, I found this awesome burlap ribbon and all of these beautiful floral picks, and these were ornaments, so I just cut the hangers off and used my handy dandy glue gun to adhere these. So I just made these two little bows out of the ribbon, and I kind of think it might need a couple of more bows. What do you think? But I was very happy with how this turned out. I feel like it's a farmhouse style, which is what I really enjoy now. And I really love the little tree wreath with the jingle bell. So I hope you could see how easy this is. Really just cut the ornaments, the hangers off the ornaments, hot glue them onto the wreath. The berry picks just slide right in and you are ready. And I will show some pictures at the end of the video. I was compensated by Dollar Tree for this video, and the description section of the video contains affiliate links. And I will be compensated if you make a purchase after clicking those links. Thanks.